How to change language on Facebook Messenger app. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to easily change language on your Facebook Messenger app. Now, if you head over to your Messenger settings, you have no active options that says language change, but instead what you have to do is change the language of your entire phone. As of now, that is the only method in order for you to change the language on your Facebook Messenger. So in order to do that, let's see how you can do it. First of all, head over to your phone settings, and if you scroll down, you will find your general management. Just tap on it and you will find the language option right here. But if you don't see it, you can just simply search on your settings and just search for language. And once you find it, just tap on language option right here and tap on it. And if you want to add new languages, just tap on new language, but I'm just going to choose this one right here. So if I choose it and then enable apply this language, everything here should change into this language. Now all you have to do is check on your Messenger app if it is changed or not. Now if you open your Messenger, as you can see, all of your languages has been changed to the one that you've just set. So all of this has been changed and it's not on English anymore. That's how you basically change your language on Facebook Messenger. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.